Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth on Amazon Alexa using an iPhone. Let's get started. Connecting Bluetooth allows you to play music, videos, or any sounds from your iPhone through the Alexa speaker. First, make sure your Alexa device is plugged in and turned on. Now, unlock your phone and open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the plus at the top of your screen, then tap on device. Now choose the Alexa device you want to connect. Next, tap Bluetooth device, then tap pair a new device. Alexa will start searching for nearby Bluetooth device. Now on your iPhone, scroll down from the top right corner of your screen, tap Bluetooth and turn it on. Look at the list of available devices. You will see your Alexa device name, tap on it, wait for a few seconds. Alexa will say connected to iPhone. That means Bluetooth is now connected. And that's it. You have successfully connected Bluetooth on Amazon Alexa using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.